My name is Matt Holman. I work for the City of Prescott, located in the City of Prescott, and I am currently the wastewater and water operator in charge. The City of Prescott's population is just right around 5,000, maybe a little bit less, so we serve about 5,000 people. Here in Prescott, we have 2 elevated water tanks. They're both 250,000 gallons apiece. So Prescott is located in Wisconsin, upper Midwest, where it gets cold in the winter. When you have an elevated water storage tank in January, February, your well pumpages go down, your water towers aren't getting filled as much. It's negative 30 degrees out. You're building ice layer in the top, which can cause things to break inside. I know a lot of communities around us have had the same problems in the past, and so have we. Prescott's obviously using a SCADA system, so we fill our water towers more frequently but less runtime, just to try to eliminate the buildup of ice. But with the CertiSafe Mixer Edition, I guess we haven't even worried about ice buildup in that tower because it's got the constant flow of water being mixed all of the time.